Hey guys, don't go anywhere. I got a tech tip for you. Hey, Spanky here, coming at you with another tech tip. Hey, do you have any of these little metal magnetic bowls laying around the garage? You keep your nuts in when you're working on something so you won't lose them? Well, I've got a bunch of these things. And this is what happens to them, sitting on my workbench or just anywhere around. They get covered in grinding dust. All right, here's what I do. I just take me some tape. This is what I've already used. Duct tape, masking tape, whatever you've got, works pretty good. Duct tape works better. Don't have any of that in front of me right now. Look at there, it pulls it right off. Pretty simple, some stuff we may forget about. You can actually just rub it on, change it up a little bit, and that's all metal shavings that was stuck to the rubber. And the reason I do this is because sometimes you just grab these things, you stick them on something that doesn't need to be scratched. Another thing I do to keep them from being scratched, I cover the bottom magnet with some tape. I trim around the edge of the tape. This is what I cover, or what I set the magnet on. It sticks fine through the tape. And then when it gets dirty, I pull it off. Put some new on, and no more scratches, guys. Just simple and clean, tech tip. Hey, if it wasn't worth telling you, I wouldn't have told you. Now get out in the garage and go build something.